Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2006 Pontiac G6 with a 3.5 liter V6 engine. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood and also jack up your car safely and use a jack stand, and I'll show you where the drain plug is to drain the oil. Alright, so we got the vehicle jacked up. We're underneath. This is the oil pan right here. This is your drain plug. So get your catch pan ready. Pull that plug out, let the oil drain out. And then right here is your oil filter. So sometimes you can get this off by hand. Sometimes you need to use an oil filter wrench or a pair of channel locks. I'm going to have some links in the description below to some Amazon products that you might find useful. You can use them or don't. If you do use them, I get a small cut. Helps me out a little bit. I'll have a link to these channel locks. These are the ones I like using for getting oil filters when I can't quite get them to turn. These work really well. So I'll have a link to these. Take your oil filter off and pull your pan over so that it can run down here because it's going to drip, obviously, and drain your oil completely. Put the plug back in and we'll get ready to put a new oil filter on. Now I pour some oil in here. Get some oil on your finger, rub it around this seal, and that'll keep this ring from sticking to your oil filter adapter. When you take the old one off, make sure that the ring didn't stick if you didn't do this before, because you don't want to double ring your oil filter. And you can fill this up as much as you want. If you want to fill that right to the top, you can. If you don't want to put anything in there, that's fine. So then you're gonna put your plug back in, put your new oil filter back on, and then we'll fill her up with oil. Alright, so how tight do you tighten this? I tighten it up about as tight as I can get it by hand, and I've never had a problem. Alright, now you can let your vehicle back down so that it's level. Alright, so right here is where you're going to add your oil. We're going to be using 530. So untwist that. It seems pretty tight, but this is what it is. And get yourself a funnel, stick it in there, fill her up. So this takes roughly 4 quarts. What you're going to do is pull your stick, clean it off, stick it back in there, and then make sure it's between the full and empty marks there. See that top hole towards the top of the stick? That's full. So that's where you want to get it. Get it there, start your engine, let it run for, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. Shut it off, let it sit for a second, check it again, make sure it's still full, add any if you need to, and that is pretty much it. If this video is helpful, hit that thumbs up button, comment, subscribe if you want to. Remember to check out those Amazon links in the description below, and have a good one, guys.